Welcome back to Life is New Every Day. Today's video is about our second day in Georgia. We have already posted 2 videos of our trip. Hope you have watched them. We woke up in the morning, went out for a walk to enjoy the cool weather. Then got back for breakfast, which was a blend of Georgian and continental style. Immediately after breakfast, we started off and stopped at the Kutaisi roundabout to see the Cultures Fountain in daylight. On the top list was the famous Prometheus Cave, also called as Kumussavi Cave near Kutaisi. The name Prometheus Cave is linked to the Greek myth of Prometheus, who was chained to a rock in the Caucasus Mountains for teaching humans the secret of the gods, in particular for giving them fire. The cave opens at 10 in the morning and till 7 in the evening, and we have an entrance fee for it. We need to take the tickets from the office. We also paid for a 10 minutes boat trip. This guided trip takes around 1 hour. They take people in batches. We just missed the first batch, so we had to wait around for the guide. When you're here, you have to be in your comfortable shoes and you will need to walk for around an hour. The ground is a little slippery at some places. This cave is 11 kilometers long. Only 1.8 kilometers is open to visitors, which is divided into 6 halls. The temperature inside the cave is maintained at plus 14 degrees, while the humidity varies. In the instruction, they had mentioned to bring a jacket, but in our case, we had to remove it because we started feeling very hot after some time.
Okay, now it's time to listen.
From here, they collected the tickets for the boat ride, and then we walked down the small passage which was leading us to the boat. We had to wear helmets because the cave height is really low, it almost touches our head. Then we come to this beautiful lake. From there, a bus takes us to the entrance. On our way to the winery, we stopped to see another way of waterfalls. We could hear the gushing river flowing by our side. We walked along. We had to cross this hanging bridge. The view was just amazing. And we got to see this amazing waterfall. During summer, people can swim here, sit on the rocks, dive down. Really adventurous. Finally, we reached the Georgian house to see the winemaking and to spend some time with the Georgian family. Outside in their yard looked very beautiful. Wine started growing. Strawberries were growing on the sides. The most amazing was a tulip flower, which has already bloomed. They had space for their guests. Roasted pumpkins, peanuts and cheese were placed on the table. This is the jar called quarry for fermenting wine, which is buried underground. Here is a traditional oven for baking bread. You can see their earthenware dishes, which have been preheated to bake the corn bread, which is called chadi. They had given us a master class to prepare cornbread. It was a really lovely time that we had with this Georgian family. By then, our host Deda, that's what they call their mother, brought us a kachapuri. I think that was the most tastiest of all the kachapuris that we tasted during our visit in Georgia. Here our host makes 3 types of wines and we tasted all of them. Got a complimentary bottle of wine and this is how they seal the wine bottle. We had dinner in a star restaurant. Even though it was a weekday, the restaurant was full. We enjoyed the dinner with live music and dance performance. We returned back to Tbilisi for our night stay. We'll be back soon with more videos on our Georgian trip. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.